I'm going to be reviewing another product by HighOh. As y'all can tell, your girl pretty much like they products, so I've been doing a few reviews for them. And of course, I will leave the product in the description. So let's just start off with this. As y'all probably remember, I did a review of their reusable pads that you can wash. I told you about the little snaps. You know, you can make them fit the clothes better, your underwear better, or, you know, looser or whatever. Told you how I like it. So I actually did, before I get off into reviewing this, I actually did go ahead and wear those for one of my menstrual cycles. And bro, that's great. Like literally, as I was rinsing it out, obviously you want to rinse it out before you put it in your washer and dryer. At least I did. I don't think you necessarily have to do that, but that's what I chose to do because I was trying to gauge how much, you know, menstruation had gone in there and things like that, because I really did not feel any moisture. Sorry about that. I'm having what's some things called? Hiccups. I didn't feel any moisture. So listen, tons of menstruation was able to go on there. I did not feel any moisture, so I do recommend you guys go and grab some of those. If you did not watch the video before, go back and look at a few of my prior videos and check out the ones for those, and then we'll go ahead and get on to this. Oh, those also come with one of these little bags, these little baggies. I think I actually have it here. Yep, I keep it, and as you, I'm at work in my office, so as you can see, I be keeping these little goodies on me because you just never know when you're gonna come home.